In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn grammar check and spell check on and off in Microsoft Outlook. We'll be doing this directly from the Outlook email inbox dashboard, and the process is very simple once you know where the settings are. This can be useful if you want Outlook to stop flagging words while you write, or if you want to turn those writing tools back on for extra help with proofreading. To begin, go to your Outlook email inbox dashboard. Once you're there, click on New Email in the top left corner to open a fresh message draft. This gives you access to the writing toolbar you'll need for the next part. Now type in some text inside the email body. It doesn't need to be anything special. You just need some sample text in place so Outlook's writing tools can detect spelling and grammar suggestions. After that, click and drag over the text to highlight it. Highlighting the text helps bring up the relevant editing options more clearly in the Compose toolbar. Next, look at the row of options above your message and click on the three dots. This opens the extended menu where additional formatting and editing tools are stored. From that menu, click on Editor, then select Open Editor. As soon as you do that, you'll see a panel appear on the right-hand side of the screen. In that column, Outlook will show any grammar and spelling issues it detects in your highlighted text. This area is useful because it not only points out possible mistakes, but also gives you access to the settings that control those checks. At the very bottom of that right-hand column, click on Customize your editor. This opens the editor preferences where you can manage which writing suggestions Outlook uses while you compose emails. From here, find the toggle for spelling and click it to turn spelling off. Then find the toggle for grammar and click it to turn grammar off as well. If you ever want to switch them back on, simply return to the same place and toggle each option back on again. The same controls work both ways, so it's easy to adjust them whenever you need. That's all there is to it. By changing these editor toggles, you can control whether Outlook checks your writing for spelling and grammar as you type. If you write in different styles for different situations, this setting can be especially helpful. And if you don't see suggestions right away, make sure you're working inside a draft email and that the editor panel is open on the right side.